friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Trader Joe's frozen gyoza in the air fryer. So we're cooking this gyoza straight from frozen, no need to defrost. And what you need to do is just coat it with a little bit of olive oil. It helps keep it moist and keeps it from drying out. So let me open a package of frozen gyoza. And I'm going to drizzle some olive oil over it. And let's toss it to coat. And I can add a little bit of more oil. And you can use a pastry brush to try to get it more even. So the whole purpose of the oil is just to make them more crispy and keep them from drying out in the air fryer. And once you coat gyoza with oil, let's put it in the air fryer basket. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's just try to flip the gyoza so they cook evenly. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but just kind of redistribute them. And then these, if they're stuck together, you can try to gently separate them. There you go. And now let's put them back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this gyoza. They look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Looks so brown and crispy. Let's take them out of the air fryer. Nice crispy gyoza. And this timing works for any flavor of gyoza. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let me just cut one so you could see that it's fully cooked inside. So the filling is totally cooked. The outside is crispy. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. I love gyoza. It tastes so good. Perfect. Tastes as good as it looks. Crispy on the outside and perfectly cooked on the inside with delicious hot filling. So good. They taste as if they were deep fried, but they were air fried. So good and so much healthier than deep frying. You're gonna love it. For a frequentable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!